Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Here I am going to show how to delete the photo bombers from the photo, which can usually done by Photoshop. Open Photoshop. Basically I am using 2015 edition, but you maybe use latest version, but pretty simple tools are used. Open, choose pictures like what you want to edit. This is a photo bomber. We should need to delete the person. Yeah, let's start. Use it laser tool. It was pretty simple technique to use. Yeah, right click, fill, content aware. Make sure that it has been ticked. Color adopted. Press OK. Yeah, you see, but it has simple error which can be used rectified by latch tools, something like patch tools. Yeah, right. Choose this area. We should be need to change. Yeah, right. Yeah, we have to edit. Yeah, you see that it was pretty simple technique. We just need to use these tools to get this. Save it. If you like this video, like it. Do you have any doubts? Comment it. Don't forget to subscribe.